students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 6 social science class and we are studying the first lesson of civics. Let's start. This is the first lesson, diversity and discrimination, and we have discussed about some topics. Today we will start the prejudice. Prejudice, it means pakshpat. It means pakshpat. Our society has to become truly just a society, one in which all people have the same rights and opportunities. A look at the Indian society would show that it is ridden with all kinds of inequalities, like social, political, and economic, but still a good deal of ignorance, illiteracy, and superstitious beliefs among people make differences. Prejudice is an antipathy or negative feeling based on family and inflexible generalization. It may be felt or expressed. It may direct toward a group or an individual of that group. Suppose students, there are two groups in class 5th A and 5th B, as there are in your college. There is a student of class 6. So the student of class 6, suppose that student is Harsh Pandey. So Harsh Pandey likes the student of 5th A and he don't like the students of 5th B. So his nature will be different towards the students of 5th A and 5th B, and it will be shown in everywhere. That is prejudice. Your liking, your unliking towards a group or an individual. One you will like most, you will take care of him, and one to whom you don't like, you will always be angry to see that person or see that group. That is prejudice. Causes which give rise to prejudice. Number one is Western influence in education. Western influence in education. This is a very important point which give rise to prejudice. The impact of the West and English education was keenly felt on Indian society. Numerous words in the English language provide a new trend of thought and action in India, but now the Hindu society was broken into many groups. The English exploited India extensively. We think English is the best language. Other languages are not important. As a result, we might not respect people who speak languages other than English. We say, wow, he can speak in English. That's the point. We don't love our mother language. We don't like Hindi, we don't like Sanskrit and other languages of India. But we give more importance to the English language. That's why this point has generated Western influence in education. Number two, creating stereotypes. All through the ages, women on the basis of gender have always been discriminated in Indian society. Sexual difference is biological, but gender difference is sociological. In India, the status of women from their childhood is very low. They are deprived of an equal access to health care, education, and economic rights. You have seen in some families, ओ ये तो लड़का है, इसकी तो अच्छे से पढ़ाई लिखाई कराओ, ये लड़की है पढ़ के क्या करेगी, इसे तो घर बार संभालना है. That thinking is stereotype. There are some common statements we hear constantly like this is the way boys are and this is how girls are. We fit all boys and all girls into an image that society creates around us. Students, we have to stop the causes which give rise to prejudice because this is very bad. I think this is very bad. Our next topic is inequality and discrimination, and we will discuss about this in next video. Study these topics which I have studied, which I have taught you, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Take care children. Goodbye.